Question 19 on application of percentages to real life situation reads that the table below shows the marks obtained by Adoyi in an examination. So we have the subject he entered for as well as the marks. We have the marks obtained and the maximum possible score. You can as well use this to calculate your percentage as a student to know your grades. So in geography, Adoyi scored 48%, and the maximum possible score for that subject is 80%, is 80. For English, he scored 78 out of 120. Mathematics, he scored 102 out of 150. And general science, he scored 100 out of 125. While for social studies, he scored 63 out of 90. And home economics, he got 45 out of 60. By expressing the marks obtained in each subject as a percentage of the possible mark, we are to determine in which subject Adoyi performed best. Now, by looking at them, you won't be able to tell the subject he performed best. It is not because he scored 102, which is the highest mark obtained, means he did best in mathematics. Because if you look at it, the total possible marks in mathematics is 150, which is equally the highest. So all you need to do is for you to know the subject he did better, you need to first of all find the percentage. So it is the percentage that determines in which subject he did better and that which he did the worst. So we shall look for the percentages of each of these and express them. When we express them, we then compare the one to know the one he did better. So for geography, we are going to find 48% of 80. So geography, (48% of 80) is said to be this. This will cancel. 8 into itself is 1. 8 into 48 is 6 times. So that 6 times 10 is said to be 60%. So in geography, he scored 60%. So this is 60% in geography. In English, we have 78 out of 120. So English, 78 out of 120 times 100 over 1 is equal to, this will cancel. 2 here is 5. 2 here is 6. 2 into 6 is 3. 2 into this is 3 remainder 1. Into this is 6. 3 can go. 3 into itself is 1. 3 into 36 is 12. So 12 times 5 is 60. So he equally scored 60% in English. So English is also 60%. While for mathematics, we have 105 out of maths is equal to 102 out of 150 times 100 over 1. So his percentage score in maths, this will cancel out. 2 here is 5. Sorry, 5 here is 2. 5 here is 3. 3 here is 1. 3 into 10 is 3 times remainder 1. 3 into 12 is 4. So this is equal to 68%. So in mathematics, he scored 68%. Okay, so this is 68%. In general science, we have 100 out of 125. General science, 100 divided by 125 times 100 over 1, so that this is said to be, what can go? 5. 5 into 100 is said to be 20 times. 5 into 12 gives you 2 times remainder 2. 5 here is 5. So 25 into itself is 1. 25 into 100 is 4, which is equal to 80%. So for the general science, he got 80%. So this is 80%. Look at what I was telling you. Social studies, we have 63 out of 90. So for social studies, 63 divided by 90 times 100 over 1. Let's see if this will be greater. This will cancel. 9 into itself is 1. 9 into 63 is 7. And this is equal to 70%. So in social studies, Adoy scored 70%. What about in home economics? 45 out of, in home economics, he got 45 out of 60 times 100 over 1. This will cancel out. 2 here is 5. 2 here is 3. 3 here is 1. 3 into this is 15. And 15 times 5 gives you 75. So we have 75% in home economics. So home economics is said to be 75. Now the question says, by expressing the marks obtained in each subject as a percentage of the possible mark, we should determine in which subject Adoy performed best. So when you look at them now, you will discover that he did better in general science. So he scored 80% in general science. Just like I said, you have to first of all express them as a percentage. That will inform you in which subject he did better. He did best in general science, followed by home economics, which he got 75%, and social studies, which he got 80%, and therefore mathematics, and there was a tie between geography and English. So that is how you can determine the percentage score of a child who has just finished his terminal exams. So you can use this as a teacher to ascertain the percentage score, or as a parent, you can also use this to confirm the marks obtained by your child. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take more exercises on application of percentages to real life situations.